Hi, good evening everyone and to the MMM community. This is Paul from Dasmariñas, Cavite, a proud member of MMM Global Philippines. Last August 9, 2015, I request to provide help amounting to 5,000 pesos, and on August 11, 2015, I request to get an assistance amounting to 5,500 pesos. I would like to thank the participants who gave me assistance amounting to 800 pesos from Edulante Andrew, 2,000 pesos from Danboy, 1,400 pesos from Nicey, and 1,300 pesos from Iggy. A total of 5,500 pesos. I would like to thank the MMM founder, Mr. Sergey Mabrodi, and to the all participants. Together, we can change the world.